Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Missy again for today's video. Let's talk about my timeline on how I studied my application, when I studied my application, and when I got my job offer. So let's start. Started my application January of 2021. Di ba sa panahon na yun, pandemic time. Lahat ng mga tao nasa bahay lang, naka-lockdown. So ang kaharap ko lang computer. Now, that's the time I decided na mag-try ako mag-apply. And sa January din ng 2021, I started my passport renewal and kumuha din ako ng aking TOR. At syempre, maghintay ka pa ng around 2 months bago makuha ang result ng mga papers na yon. So, around February, nag-start na ako ng aking application sa PEI. And while I did my application and PI around March of 2021, nag-start na rin ako ng aking direct application. Now, March of 2021, ang aking direct application, pasa lang ako ng pasa ng aking mga papers, resumes, cover letters, nag-search ako, naghanap ako ng mga schools, and then I got my first interview April 12 of 2021. First interview ko is April 12 of 2021. Ito ay sa state ng Alaska. But sa kasamang palad, ligwak ang beauty ng lola nyo. So, medyo na-depressed, na-disappointed. But then, I received another invitation for a second interview. That's 2 days after nun. So, April 14 of 2021. So, second interview naman is from New York. So, New York, I started April 14 of 2021. At sa New York, marami silang process. You have to make lesson plans, panel interviews, and stuff like that. So, sa second interview ko, nakapasa ako. But then, the story is this. They wanted me na makarating na ako ng US ng June or July kasi marami pa daw training before mag-start ng class. Kasi start ng class is August. So, sinabi ko, hindi ko na kaya yung process. I'll try. Pero sabi nila, dapat nasa US na ako ng June or July. So, hindi ko na lang tinanggap yung job offer. Sayang naman, no? Tas yung job offer na yun is nasa Brooklyn, Manhattan yung school. But, at saka yung sahod is really big. Pero, hindi ko kaya kasi magpa-process pa ako ng paper, hindi pa ako nakapag-resign sa DepEd. So, hindi kakayanin ng time. Third interview ko naman is another one from New York. New York pa rin siya. That's May 6 of 2021. Now, this time, ligwak pa rin ang beauty nyo, ng lola nyo. So, May 6, ligwak na naman. So, I waited for another interview. And another interview is on May 19th of 2021. Fourth interview ko na to. And this time, itong interview na to is from Maryland. So, this time, nakapasa na din ako. Pasa na din ako at this time, nabigyan ako ng job offer. So, sa fourth interview ko na nakapasa ako, I received a job offer. Ito ay sa Maryland. But then, hindi pa ako nakapag-decide. Nag-email na sila sa akin ng contract and stuff like that. Pero, pinag-isipan ko muna. Kasi medyo mababa yung offer. At then, may hinintay pa akong interview. Kasi may nag-email sa akin. At ito na yung school ko na ito. Ito yung sa South Dakota. Nag-email sila na magkakaroon ako ng interview June 11 of 2021. So, hindi muna ako nag-commit noon sa Maryland kasi hinihintay ko pa yung South Dakota at saka i-compare ko kung saan yung mas okay. So, nakarating ang June 11 of 2021, I get an interview sa South Dakota and then I get another job offer. So, ito na yung South Dakota. So, I am choosing between Maryland and South Dakota. Now, this time, of course, syempre, first mong i-consider ay yung salary. So, ang offer ng South Dakota is higher compared to Maryland. And then, sa Maryland, yung school na in-applyan ko is nasa Baltimore. And Baltimore is a city. So, medyo mataas yung cost of living. While dito sa South Dakota, dito sa Pierre, capital city siya, but ang South Dakota ay medyo laid off. So, medyo low lang yung cost of living niya. So, I decided to get the job offer from South Dakota. Now, June 15 of 2021, naka-receive na ako ng aking job offer at ng aking mga papers from my school. So, dito sa South Dakota. And I signed a contract third week of June. And then, nag-start na yung process. Nagpa-schedule na ako ng embassy interview. Kumuha ako ng aking visa sponsor and stuff like that. So, ang embassy interview ko is August 13 of 2021. And then, pagkatapos no, naghintay pa kasi marami pang process sa Manila. Tapos, flight ko na papuntang US is August 31 of 2021. So, nakarating ako dito September 1st, 2021. By the way, nag-resign ako sa DepEd July of 2021. So, for total, nagkaroon po ako ng 5 interviews. First one is from Alaska, 2 sa New York, isa sa Maryland, at isa dito sa South Dakota. And 3 job offers, and 2 yung ligwak. So, hindi pa kasali yung EPI nun ha. So, sa mga direct application ko lang, nagkaroon ako ng 5, 3 job offers, at 2 hindi ako natanggap. So, if you are planning to do direct application, you guys, continue praying. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Huwag ma-disappoint. Kung di ka matanggap ng first try, second try, third try, alam nyo guys, nagkaroon ako ng like more than 30 or 50 yung na-applyan ko. Tapos yun lang yung nag-invite sa akin. Imagine that. Kailangan talaga nagsipag at tiyaga pag ikaw ay mag-direct application. Mahirap, marami kang disappointments, marami kang rejections, pero tuloy lang ang laban para sa pangarap. Diba? Lahat ng mga ginagawa natin para sa pamilya natin, para sa future. Ako, nung nag-apply ako, walang tulog kasi syempre, umaga dito sa US, gabi dun sa Pilipinas, at saka during that time, may work pa din ako sa DepEd. So, sabay-sabay lahat ginagawa ko yan. Ang hirap, pero alam kong in the future, mapapakinabangan ko yan. So, to those who are still in the process of the application right now, do whatever you need to do. Ask for God's blessings and guidance. And don't let disappointments and rejections pull you down. That's just it for today's video, guys. And follow for more. Bye!